Say you have a superpower to create an electric field around you. I'm going to create an electric field around me. It's in the shape of a box. But I don't want myself to be electrocuted, so I'm going to make a distance, a gap between myself and the electric field on all sides, on all four sides. Maintain a gap. And also, I don't want this electric field to electrocute somebody who is near me. So I'm going to maintain a distance. I'm going to move my entire electric field along with me to a certain gap or certain distance from somebody. The gap that I maintain between myself and the electric field is called padding. So that is a gap within inside the electric field. The gap that I am maintaining between electric field and somebody else is called margin. So that is outside. Padding is inside between the U or the element and the border. Border is the electric field. Electric field can be of different width or it can be of different color. It can be of different type, like it can be dotted, it can be solid, or it can be invisible. This is the way to write padding: top, right, bottom, left in one single line. But people have difficulty remembering the order, so I will give a simple tip. Imagine a clock or a compass where you have directions north, east, south, west of the clock. So this is the top, this is the right, this is the bottom, this is the left. So this thing 1, 2, 3, 4 refers to 1 top, 2 right, 3 bottom, 4 left. So that is how you remember what that is. What if left and right are of the same length? We don't need to specify the same thing again and again. So you could write with 3 things: 1 pixel, 2 pixel, you don't need the 3 pixel. Because this would mean it is referring to both left and right. And what if top and bottom are of same length? We don't have to again explicitly say. So since it is of same length, we could just omit this as well. So the first one refers to top and bottom. The second one refers to left and right. This is how you write padding, margin and few other elements.